Hey, how's it going? Jonathan Glazer here, coming at you with another video. This video, we're focusing on SEO. So I'm going to give you 5 SEO tips that are going to be very, very beneficial as well as crucial to any website or blog that you are trying to rank to the first page of Google. So before we start, just know I have additional training for you that you can snag in the description below at any time. So if you want, you can go and grab that now. I'm going to briefly explain these 5 crucial factors in this SEO tip video. So the first one, of course, is the very, very important one, is your keywords. So once you've gone through all the research process and found the keyword you want to rank for, then you have to use it a certain way for the Google search engines to pretty much rank your video, see it as important and rank your video. So first one is you have to use it no more than 15 times. If you do that, it's called keyword stuffing, and you will get penalized for that, and your website or blog post will drop drastically. So avoid that at all costs and only try and use the keyword 15 times for the entire post. Another very important SEO tip for this is you only need to use it once in the title. And it's always good to put it in front, because this is how Google's search engines or any other search engine will determine if it's important or not, and it will actually determine what the actual post is about and if it's relevant or not to what the the viewer is searching for. So very, very important to do that. So if you can, put it in front of the first in front of the title. Also inside the URL as well, it looks for that, as well as in your H1 tag. So that will be the first tag that people see. It's going to show what like a subtitle, what it's about. And then you also want to have it in the meta description, because that's another thing that the search engines crawling through your data is looking for, is relevant keywords. So you want to make sure that they are placed in those areas. So that's very, very important. That's why it's number 1. The more that the Google search engines can crawl out from your website, it makes it more and more relevant to what searchers are searching for, and it will show it. So the next is the body length. You want to keep it at 300 words minimum. You can go over, but 300 words keeps it. That will keep the viewer on your page longer, which also is another factor that Google looks for. How long are your visitors staying on your page? The longer they stay, the more important it is. So keep it at a minimum of 300 words, and and keep the content fresh and engaging. Don't, if it's boring or anything like that, they're going to go away quick, and you're going to lose your ranking. So very, very important as well. Another one is only put one H1 tag. So that's the boldest print title or headline that there is, and you only need one of those. Too much is excessive, and you will get dinged and lose your ranking. So if you have any others subtitles, you will use H2 or anything below that. So very, very important to know that. External links is also very important. So if you can put external links in leading to another page that will give more information about the topic you are writing about or your website's about, it will increase the authority of your blog post or website. And this is also very important too. So if you have a network of bloggers, you guys can link up and exchange external links, which will benefit both of you or your network by using each other's posts to increase the authority. So very good one to have. And then the final one is some that many people overlook, and that is your images, using the power of your images, and by putting the keyword into the alt attribute in the images, which is simply done by right-clicking the image, or right-clicking the image on your website page builder and just simply entering the keyword. That'll also be covered inside the training that I have below, so you can access that, and it'll show you a little trick on how to do that and increase your ranking on Google. So those are my 5 crucial factors. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you and show you a quick post of mine, the format that I use. So this is a recent review that I did for a product just came out. This is my blog that I put together. So as you can see, the title, I have the keyword in the title, and then I actually have a few other keywords here. These aren't as relevant as these keywords. This keyword right here, that's the one I'm ranking for. So that was in the title, and then this has I made I use it as a alternate attribute. It has the keyword inside the image, so if someone's looking for images on commissions or anything like that, it'll show up and they'll click on that and it'll bring it back to my blog. So that's why images are so powerful. And then here's my H1 tag, as you can see, which I did not actually put I got actually dinged for that. So that's an example of why it needs to be in there. But it is in this one right here. So that's an H2 tag. External links here. This is going to go and show more information of stealth commissions. And as you can see, the keyword is not like every other sentence. It is laid out where it flows naturally. It doesn't look like I'm just trying to ram this down people's throats. It's very easy to read, and that's another thing that Google looks for, is how easy it is to read. And then I have a video which is going to keep them on my page longer. And then more images. This has also the alt attributes into it. So that's pretty much just how the format should go, and that's for a blog post. Websites are different, and the training below actually will show you a little bit more on that. So it's about an hour. It's going to go more in depth in this video I made for you. I just wanted to give you a little boost if you're struggling with SEO or anything like that. These SEO tips will definitely help you get going in the right direction. So that's it. I'm going to wrap it up here. Next thing to do is subscribe to my channel and click the link below to access the free SEO training I have for you. And stay tuned for more videos. Have an awesome day.